SOFI update on the 24th. So we got the news in the morning that Biden announced a plan to forgive $10K of student debt for borrowers who earn less than $125K per year and extended the pause on federally backed student loan payments by 4 months to December 31st. So the news, the only thing that really seems super bullish about this news, considering he extended them another 4 months, is the clarity of him telling us what is going on with it, and that clarity, I think, gave us the bounce more than anything. The question now becomes, did we start a first wave right now, or is this actually a fourth wave? If we zoom out here to the 2-hour time frame, I'll show you the bearish stance. It'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here. If that's the case, you can make that argument based on this being first and third wave. Whoops. Take it to the second wave. You can see it clearly goes outside of there. And then also, it does not break the 50% retracement. However, it went farther than normal. Usually only goes to about the 0.38 fib. So bears would say this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to get a fifth wave lower than $6. That's definitely possible. I'm not going to say that's 100% not going to happen. That's possible. But I am leaning towards the bottom today. And you have to zoom in to the 15-minute time frame to see that this could possibly be 1, 2. If we take the 1.61 fib, you'll see that we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. And then this could possibly be a fourth wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. I have this labeled wrong. This would be the third overall wave, fourth wave, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. And so I'm leaning towards that scenario. I'm bullish from here. Like I've been saying in the last couple of videos, accumulate as much as you can down to these levels because we're eventually going to be over $10. And this looks like a first wave to me. A very shallow third wave, in my opinion, but we came all the way back down here, did not break the low, went to a higher high right here, and then pulled back, and then a moonshot up to 688. So I'm considering this a first wave, and another reason I'm considering it a first wave is because on this pullback we did not make an impulsive move down, so I'm considering this ABC. Possibly the second wave right here. If you do the fib extension right here, you'll see that we've already corrected over 50%. And so that could be it for the consolidation. I'm actually leaning though towards a scenario where we do ABC and then ABC higher and then ABC lower, possibly fill this gap and then go higher. I think that's very likely. Considering what the market is going to do soon, in my opinion, a little bit lower. I think we do A, B, C lower and then go higher. So, like I said, bearish case is still possible, but I think the bullish case is more likely. Where would that take us next? Minimum of 740 on the next move higher. Probably even higher than that. I would say it's very likely we could go all the way to 827 for a third wave that goes all the way to the 2.61 extension, and then probably break the high and go all the way to 9 or 10 is very possible. I think the next move is going to be pretty explosive, and we have earnings in the next 2 months, like I said in the last couple of videos. Going into midterms, getting clarity on this, I just don't see how much more downside there could be in this stock anymore. So this bearish case is very unlikely. I think it's likely we're just consolidating for a second wave, which could take another couple of days, and then we start moving higher. So if you sold some covered calls, you might want to considering trimming those when we pull back here, and then getting some more shares for the move up higher. So looking pretty good now. We'll see what happens over the next couple of days, but again, leaning bullish for something like this. We're going to do probably something like this. And who knows what extensions are going to go to, but that's just what I see at this point. I don't see us going to lower lows here, and I don't see us going to lower lows here below 6 unless the market sells off hard, which is always possible. But bearish case, very unlikely. Bullish case, very likely. So let me know what you think in the comments. How are you playing this move? What do you think about my chart? Do you think I'm correct about the bottom being in, or do you think there's more downside? Let me know in the comments, because it is kind of tricky right now with these student loan announcements and trying to figure out if it's a real move or not, because every time he has extended the date, we have gone down lower. So I just think that at this point we were waiting for clarity, and we should be going higher from here. So that's my take on it for now. Mostly bullish, small possibility of being bearish. Let's see what happens the rest of the week. But as at any time in the sixes, just accumulate as many shares as you can, because this will not be around that much longer. We could be above 10 at any point in the next month and then stay there for quite a while. So please like and subscribe, and I will give you another update here soon.